Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So today we will be doing reading for the month of August. So let's see what is happening for my collective for the month of August. So let's call upon our spirit guides, angels, and ancestors to help us with this reading, and let's call for protection from any negative energies, low vibrational energies, positive energies, only temple. We are praying for something. We are getting out of a comfort zone. We are nurturing ourselves. I'm hearing for some of you, body is a temple. Let's see. So, what's happening for my collective for the month of August? Oh, we have the mother. Yes, nurturing, feminine energy. The shadow. Wow, wow. Very interesting. I think I'm going to start right away. A lot of messages coming in. Okay. So, mother is saying that you're birthing a new cycle, I feel here, and you're nurturing yourself. You have been working on your shadows, fast few months. It's like it almost felt like you were pushed beyond limits. You were pushed beyond your comfort zone so that you can emerge as a new version who is, it's like so much of purity. I feel when I say purity, I feel that a lot of those difficult emotions, a lot of those shadow work you have released, so that a healthier, happier version of you can emerge. Okay, let's take some other reading. So, hmm, what is happening for my collective in the month of August? Okay, we have new projects and learning. What are the odds? Some of you will be starting new projects from fresh start, letting go of the old gunk that was there, but something new. Pay attention to detail. You're also learning from your past. For some of you, could be learning new skills. Some of you could be learning how to grow what you already have into a new version of it. Excellent energy, new beginnings, new start, new ventures. Wow, love it. Love this energy. Okay. Oh, oh. So, what is happening for my collective in the month of August? Okay, arrival. I think expand. I think the guys want me to talk more about this arrival and expand. You have been stuck for so long. You have been thinking about expansion. You have been working as an underdog in the shadows. You've been doing the inner work. And now is the time that you start a new journey. A new version of you is coming. I believe in the last few months you were in between phase where an older version of you died and a newer version of you had to emerge, and it's time that you arrive. And how you arrive, how beautifully, abundantly, you're glowing up, you're looking beautiful, you're wearing good clothes, you are, for some of you, traveling. I see globe, you could be expanding. For some of you, could be expanding globally. So yeah, it's, if nothing has worked for you for this year and you feel, when is it going to happen? And I think a lot of you could be Leos, because a lot of breakthroughs are happening for Leos, and you're like, this was supposed to be my year. When are good things going to happen? Now, in August. They're happening now in August. Okay, so let's just see what else is happening in August for my collective. Okay. And guys, if the readings resonate with you and if you enjoy seeing this reading, please subscribe and comment below. This will help more and more people to see this, and more and more people who need to see this reading can view this. Okay. Four of Swords. Wow. You need to stop worrying about money, about pentacles, and just focus on your creative energy of creating something new and beautiful, and money and abundance is just going to be attracted towards you. You just need to lay low and, just like an artist, I'm seeing it like an artist, just keep working on your craft. Wow. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Wow, again, very stable energy, wish fulfillment energy, very this is a kind of energy where you're self-sufficient. your wishes are coming true. You have enough, not only for yourself, but to show off to people. Look, I created this. Look, I did this. Look, I have arrived. Okay. We have Page of Pentacles. Okay. We have Judgment, and we have Two of Cups. And we have Six of Swords. I feel that for a lot of you, clarity is coming in your love life. We are going to see love life, after this. This is overall energy of the month of August. So a lot of clarity is coming in your love life. Reconciliation is coming in your love life. Resurrection is coming in your love life. So it is about new beginnings in every area of your life, because you've done the inner work, because you're in your feminine energy. Okay, now let's see what's happening in your love life, because the cards are already showing me that there is improvement, and a significant improvement in your love life if you've been feeling stuck for a very, very long time. So let's see what is happening for my collective in their love life. For my collective in their love life. Okay, what is happening for my collective and love yourself first. The Empress energy, the mother energy, nurturing, loving, honoring your own self. Okay, your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Working on your self-worth. Okay, engagement. Wow, your love life is ascending to a higher level of communication flow. You could be in a relationship where it was not clear, where is this going, where is the future. There could be a lot of chemistry in that relationship, and now there is, because you've done the work, because you are honoring yourself and your self-worth, and you're drawing boundaries, your love life is growing. Your love life is growing, and there could be more communication between two of you about the future, about next steps, about where is this going. And for some of you, engagement is possible if that is what you're looking at. Okay, attraction. There is a lot of attraction. I think there's a lot of forgiving and learning. Yeah, I feel this is a new beginning where, if there was an end and you felt that love is lost, sometimes when we're very hurt and we are in separation with our person, and when we reconnect, we don't feel the same love, because there's still hurt left. There's still a lot of things we're not totally out of love, but that chemistry is not there anymore. And I feel that this is the time where, because you're loving yourself, that you become very attractive, and that is bringing in romance, and you're learning to forgive, and you're opening up, you're feeling safe to love again, and that is bringing in a lot of attraction, in your love life. Okay, and then we have chemistry, I can't, and playfulness, a lot of romantic time with each other, beautiful chemistry, a lot of you know attraction, sexual energy. I see that. Okay, and release your ex. And for some of you, uh, releasing your ex could be releasing your past hurt. Okay, and for some of you, there could be an ex involved in you and your own person's life that needs to be released. So release your ex is basically old energy releasing from your life, so that new can begin. Yeah. So where is it that my collective needs to love themselves more? Oh, we have High Priestess. You need to learn to trust your intuition a little more. You let your fear overtake, but you have a very strong intuition, and I know my collective has a very strong intuition. With all of you that I'm already talking or taking sessions, or you guys talk to me, you guys DM me, so I know you guys are very intuitive. You guys are on your spiritual path. You're the High Priestess, very, very intuitive. Know your higher power, listen to your intuition. Okay, what is this engagement when it comes to love? Temperance. Mm, emotional healing. I feel that a lot of Six of Wands. I feel that you will see that person is coming towards you and trying to balance things. You are also trying to emotionally balance things so that you can go towards next step. So a lot of emotional balance is happening, a lot of exchange of uh, how you felt in the past, how they felt in the past, and how we you guys can bring in balance towards future. This is also talking about, I feel that it's taken a lot of time to things. Temperance is also divine timing, and it's a very slow energy. And I feel that a lot of time has taken. You've been apart from a person for a very, very long time. So there is a lot of bridging of the gap. See, both the cups, the water is pouring. So a lot of emotions, exchange of emotions is going to happen. What is this attraction? Six of Wands. Six of Wands is moving towards calmer waters and devil. I think your relationship is moving. If you were stuck somewhere, if you were not talking, or if you were in separation, or if you were not sure, you guys are moving towards um okay, this is not Six of Swords, this is Six of Wands. I'm really sorry, but I feel that maybe energetically this is you moving towards some success, because Six of Wands is successfully moving towards um you know this is also showing me that you are moving out of a very stuck situation. You're victorious, you are getting what you wanted. Okay, and what is this chemistry? Queen of Swords energy, butterflies and Queen of Swords, a lot of transformation. You are very attractive with the Empress energy right now. The work that you've done on yourself, you are very, very attractive to your person, and there's going to be a lot of, they'll be very attracted towards your energy is what I see. And playfulness, I think you'll be spending a lot of time, just that tower, yeah, after, which is like the old version of you and your person had to go so that a newer version could happen. And it's saying that to this is the playfulness, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit to shine. So I think you guys will be rebuilding romance. You could be spending good time with each other, going on dates, talking to each other, and really um, getting hope, getting romance, getting chemistry back in your life, and also trust, building trust. I feel, and releasing a lot of that past is happening, which is humongous for this. If this is all of this is happening in August, this is like a breakthrough. Let me know if this happens. I would like to know, because after separation, if this is what you're going through, that is amazing, amazing energy. And this energy is opening up after a very, very, very long time, maybe after 2 to 3 years for some of you. Okay, let's see what's happening in work. Let's quickly see what's happening in work, and then we will take some oracle guidance for you. So, what is happening in work front for my collective in August? We have the Ten of Pentacles. Stability. Wow. This is stability for some of you. If there was, like, you could be receiving money from your home, or if there was money stuck somewhere, that could be coming, building stability. 10 on 10. Okay. Three of Swords. Okay. Wow. Why this Three of Swords for work? Okay. So it shows me that, in the past few months, you were very burdened and heartbroken because something was not stable. You were working for the stability, but that did not happen. And you almost had a burnout. You'd been working very, very hard, and I feel you were also healing emotionally. But now you kind of, in August, there's a Chariot has a forward movement. You are moving forward, and you're balancing your emotional health, and you're taking inspired action. Yes, with the Knight of Wands, you're taking inspired actions, and you're moving forward towards success. And what is this leading to when it comes to work? Empress, the new mother, the Empress, a lot of new beginning, creative ideas coming to light, abundance, and you're attracting it, new start. A lot of you are starting new, something new. Wow, like the new energy, it's like, look at the seed, like, it's like, yeah, it's like you're taking inspired actions with the King of Wands, and you are also reflecting on your emotions, and you're starting to love yourself most. I feel you're honoring your emotions while you're working right now. You're not burning out. You're giving yourself rest when you need to. You're working when you have to, and you're taking inspired action. So you kind of balancing your masculine and feminine energy at work also, and that's going to bring in beautiful results. I love this energy. I think this energy is opened after so long, and whoever is watching, and if it is for you, please let me know, because I I'm so excited for you already. So what is the guidance for you for the month of August? What is the guidance? Making a difference. My inner light shines far and wide, flying free. So I feel that you're flying free from the old version of you, and now whatever you do is more inspired, and you are thinking of making a difference to the world, not only to your life. You're expanding beyond horizons and borders, flying free again. Okay. uh, I unfurl my wings and fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. That song is playing, so maybe it's relevant. Embracing the future. You're looking at future with so much positivity, and you're like expanding, like beyond horizons. You're not doing normal, okay? Opening to love, and also you're opening to love. Your heart is opening to love, and you're rising above the challenges, okay? So rising above the challenges, opening to love, and expanding. That is the theme for August. Let me know in the comments below if this resonates, and I will see you next reading.